Hi, this is Muad from JB Academy. In today's session, we're gonna talk about operations on integers. We will talk about multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We'll start by multiplication and division because they are easier to work on. Here, I start by multiplying integers. The focus will be on the signs, of course, as you can see. Here, in multiplication and division, we have the same rules. If you multiply two integers, what I mean by integers? Integers mean the signed numbers. So if you multiply positive by positive, the answer will be positive. And negative by negative, the answer is positive. So we can say if they are same sign, then it will be positive. This will be applied on multiplying and on division. Here, when we divide the same signs, the answer will be positive. So we can say now in multiplying and dividing integers, if they have the same sign, the answer will be positive. So same sign, positive. For example, if I multiply 3 by 4, we can say this positive 3 multiply positive 4, the answer is 12. Positive 12. Negative 9 multiply negative 7. So 9 times 7 equal 63. Now we have the same sign. Negative times negative equal positive. So we can put positive 63 or we can leave it without sign because it is positive. The same for division. For example, if I say 36, negative 36, divide negative 4. So they have the same sign. So they have to be positive. So 36 divide 4 equals 9. But we are dividing two numbers with the same sign. We know same positive. So the answer is 9, or we can write positive 9. I hope it's clear for you. Now what if we have different signs? If we are multiplying different signs or we dividing numbers with different signs or unlike signs. In this case, we have the answer will be negative. Positive multiply negative equals negative. Negative multiply positive equals negative. Positive divide negative equals negative. And negative divide positive equal negative. What we can say? We can say unlike signs is negative. So, for example, let me give you an example. If I multiply, for example, negative 5 multiply 6, so they have different sign. You can here put positive. Negative 5 multiply 6 equals 30. Now we have different signs, so the sign will be negative. As for division the same. We can say 24 divide 4. So negative 24 divide 4. We have different signs. Here we can put positive. So the answer will be 6, but it is negative 6 because different signs. So for multiplication and division, we can say if we have the same sign, the product or the quotient will be positive. If we have different signs, then the product or the quotient will be negative. I've started by multiplication and division, as I told you, because it's easier to work on them. Now, let me work on adding and subtracting integers. Here we start. In adding, we have two rules. If we have the same sign, so we add. If we have different signs, we subtract. So here, if we have the same sign, and copy the sign, we add and copy the sign. But in this case, we subtract and we put the sign of the bigger number. For example, let me start by this. If I say negative 9 plus negative 3, now they have the same sign, so I add 9 plus 3 equals 12. Now we copy the sign, which is negative, so the answer is negative 12. But in case of different signs, I said to you we need to subtract. It's adding, but we will subtract. So now in this case, I'll give you example. Negative 9 plus 3. So we have different signs. So I need to subtract. Of course, the bigger number minus the smaller number. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So which sign I put? I put sign of the big number. Sign of the big number. So 9 is greater than 3, so I put negative. Now, as for subtracting integers, I will give you the way. The most important point for subtracting integers, we need to change it to addition and apply the rules of addition. This is the easiest way. There are many ways, but this is the easiest way. We change subtraction to addition and we change the sign of the second number. Here it is subtraction, we change it to addition and we make this positive. Here subtraction, we make it addition and we make this positive. Here we make it adding and we make this negative. I will give you two examples. For example, if I have negative 9 minus negative 3. So, as I told you, we change subtract to addition and change the sign of the second number. It becomes addition. Now we can apply the rules of addition. They have different signs, so I subtract. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Now we put the sign of the bigger number, negative 6. Another example, negative 3 minus negative 7. As you can see, here it's subtraction. So I change it to addition and I change the sign of the second number. It becomes negative 3 plus positive 7. So they have different signs. So what I do, different signs, I subtract. 7 minus 3 equals 4. And I put the sign of the bigger number, which is 7. So the answer will be positive 4 or 4. That's all about operations on integers. I hope it's easy for you, it's clear for you. Thank you very much. If you like the video, press on like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.